Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to buy a domain for your business. The best way to buy a domain is through an ICANN accredited domain registrar such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or even through the web platforms themselves like Wix. Today I'll be buying a domain name through Wix because it takes less than 5 minutes and automatically connects to your site. But keep in mind that if you're using another domain registrar, the process will be similar, but connecting the domain to your website may have some different steps. By the end of this video, you'll know what a domain name actually is, how to search for one, which extensions to pick, what registration period and pricing actually means, which privacy and security options you should turn on, and exactly how to complete your purchase and get it connected to your site. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you how you can get a free domain for a year. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with the basics. A domain name is a web address that people type into their browser to find your website. Something like yourbusiness.com. It's what replaces the long random server address with something your customers can actually remember. Without one, your site is stuck on a temporary free address that looks unfinished and is hard for people to remember or even trust. A custom domain name makes your business look established, it's easier to put on your business cards or social media, and it plays a role in how people find you through search. So before you launch anything, you need a domain name that matches your brand. Now here's a question I get constantly. Should you buy your domain through Wix or through a separate domain registrar company and connect it afterwards? Technically, you can do either, but with Wix domains, you can search, buy, and manage Wix domains all in one place right from your Wix dashboards. That means no separate login, no manual pointing DNS records at your site, and no juggling two separate companies if something goes wrong. If you buy from a third party, you'll need to manually connect that domain to your Wix site afterwards, which adds extra steps and extra room for mistakes. Buying directly through Wix skips all of that. Your domain connects automatically. So let's actually buy one. There are two main ways to get a domain on Wix. If you're using your site dashboard or editor, you should see an option to connect a custom domain. Or you can just go to wix.com/domains. Both will take you through a very similar flow, but in this video, we're going to go through wix.com/domains because there will be an additional step at the end to make sure your domain connects to your Wix website. If you're buying your domain through a website dashboard or editor, the domain will automatically connect to the site with no additional steps. Then enter the domain name and extension that you want in the search field and click search. Wix will tell you right away whether it is available. Keep your name short, easy to spell, and easy to say out loud. If your first choice is taken, the platform will suggest close alternatives, so don't panic if your exact idea isn't available. Plus, Wix also has an AI-powered domain name generator that can help you find the best available option based on your brand or business. Now, while you're searching, you'll notice something called a domain extension. This is also called a TLD. That's just the part after the dot, like .com, .store, .co. Wix supports over 400 extensions, so whatever your niche is, you'll be able to find the right fit. .com is definitely the most recognized and trusted option for most businesses, but if your exact name isn't available as a .com, a more specific extension like .store or .shop can actually work in your favor, especially if you run an online store, since it tells people exactly what your site is before they even click. Whatever you choose, make sure it's consistent with your brand name so it's easy to remember and easy to type in correctly. Once you've found the available name, click Get It. Then select your registration period and click Continue. You'll usually be able to register your domain for 1 year or multiple years at once. A longer registration period can sometimes come with a lower price per year, and it also means one less thing to renew and remember. Just remember, whatever period you choose fits your budget and your commitment to the business. Pricing can vary depending on the extension you choose, so don't be surprised if a .com costs a different amount than a more specialized extension. One thing I'd strongly recommend is turn on auto renewal. If your domain expires and you forget to renew it, someone else can register it, and getting it back can be a headache that you don't want. You can easily set up the renewal in your Wix dashboard and just forget about it. Next, you'll be asked to enter in your contact information and select your privacy and security options. This step matters more than people realize. When you register a domain, your contact details can become part of public database. That's where domain privacy comes in. I'd recommend selecting the option for private registration and DNSSEC. Private registration keeps your personal information out of the public who's records, so your name, address, and email aren't visible to anyone who just looks up your domain. And DNSSEC protects your domain from spoofing and cyber attacks that try to redirect visitors to a fake version of your site. You can enable it in one click, and it's generally just good to leave that on. And one more thing worth noting is your Wix domain registration automatically includes SSL certificate, which encrypts your connection between your site and your visitors. This is a feature that you typically have to pay a little extra for on other domain registrars. Now it's time to finish up. Choose your payment method and click Submit Purchase. Once the purchase goes through, you know you own that domain. If you purchase this through your website, your domain name automatically connects to your site. You don't need to manually update settings or wait on separate DNS changes like you would with a third-party registrar. If you purchase it through wix.com/domains, then there is one final step to connect it to your website. In your Wix dashboard, you will have a page called Domains. Click on that to find your domain, press the 3 dots and assign it to a website. Just click the website you want the domain to be attached to, and just like that, you're done. Within a short time, your custom domain will be live and pointing straight to your Wix website. Now, one more thing before you go and buy a domain on its own, check your plan first. Wix includes a free domain for your first year when you upgrade to an annual premium plan. So if you're already planning to upgrade your site for features like accepting payments, adding site collaborators, or accessing advanced marketing and business solutions, then your domain name is already included. It's worth upgrading to a premium plan before paying separately for a domain name when you can get it free through the premium plan. So that's how you buy a domain start to finish. To recap, a domain name is your site's address on the internet, and buying it directly through Wix Domains keeps everything search, purchase, privacy, and connection in one dashboard instead of juggling multiple companies. Search for your name, pick the right extension, choose your registration period, and turn on private registration and DNSSEC. Complete your purchase and check whether your Wix plan already includes a free domain. If this video has helped you understand how to buy a domain with Wix, give this video a like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to cover next. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.